What's up, YouTube? So a couple quick updates and a real fast mod video. First and foremost, I just sold one of the M100 trailers, so that guy is out of here. Now I just have this one I've got to start working on. Don't know if I'm going to get to it before I finish up my 2 jet skis that I should be picking up this week. But anyway, freed up a little bit of room in the garage. Now what I want to show you today is a mod I've already done. I thought about making a video, but quite frankly, it was just too easy of a mod to do to make a video. I mean, I'm trying to post good content and content that you guys will appreciate, but this one was just so simple. So let me show you what it is. It is the Rancho front differential skid plate, and for me this was a no-brainer when you paired it with the nice powder-coated differential cover from Spicer. And basically it gives you a nice little skid surface. It has the drain hole in the bottom so you can still change your diff fluid. And literally, if you see those 2 shiny bolts, it's just 2 on this side, and you can tell they're different from the OEM, you know, shiny versus the black original. It's literally just 2 there, 2 there, and that's it. And you bolt it up. Now the one final piece is going to be a U-clamp, which I'll try to show you guys under the Jeep. And it literally is just like that. Incredibly simple. Just a couple lock nuts and washers that mount that U-clamp up over the actual front differential on the actual housing. Of course, you don't want it on the moving parts, but it just holds it and keeps it secure in place. It's got a notch, so you know it's, you know, exactly lined up there so it can't pivot. And again, this was a super simple modification. I didn't want to try to elongate a video that didn't really need, you know, explanations on step by step, but it's real simple. You just take out those front 4 bolts, put this thing in there, bolt it in with the supplied 4 new bolts, and then just attach the U-clamp and you're done. So pretty straightforward, simple video for a Sunday afternoon. Took about, in all honesty guys, this mod probably took 5 minutes, 7 minutes, you know, max. So very, very quick modification. I love the look. It gives you a little skid glide plane, if you will. So if the diff were to hit something, now I'm double protected. I have the differential cover, which is aftermarket from Spicer, so it's already more beefy. Then on top of that, I've got the Rancho front skid. So definitely a nice modification. It is going to be the low point on the front of the axle, but it was that way anyway, even before the skid plate. So for me, that's one of the reasons why I wanted it, because if the diff is going to be the lowest point, you want to make sure it's double protected. So I'll leave the part number and the link in the description of the video and exactly how you can get your hands on one of these. I've got one for the rear, it's just not here yet. It was on back order. So as soon as that one gets in, of course, I'll add the matching part and we'll be good to go. So if you haven't already, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you can be updated when I post new content. Thanks for stopping by, stay safe, and we'll see you on the next video.